What's good? What's good? You know what I'm saying? Big dude, you know what I'm saying? Reporting. Honestly, bro, what I'm finna talk about is, bro, it's the whole thing with these women, bro. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to these women, my nigga, when it comes to their financial needs, y'all something else, man. On game, y'all something else. Bro, I had my baby mom, bro. You know what I'm saying? Been with her for 5 years, on and off, bro. You know what I'm saying? We had a bad time, we had a good time. You know what I'm saying? Man, long story short, bro, you do all you can do for a woman, and she still don't appreciate you, and you stretch your neck out, and you're even still and rob for her. Get your new bitch. Gang.